welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I wanted to do a quick haul for you guys. You guys know that we're decorating our home, and the things I'm going to show you guys today are especially for our shelf that you guys saw us build. So we did a DIY shelf video around our fireplace. I don't know if you guys have seen that. If you haven't, go ahead and click the link down below to check out that video. But anyway, that is our main focus right now, because after we do that, then we'll move on to the rest of the living room. All right, family, so I have the stuff here. I'm just gonna grab them and show you guys, and I'll show you guys exactly where I got them from. So please pay attention, because I may forget to put it in the description box. I've been known to do that. After preparing, filming, and editing a video, sometimes you forget the details. So pay close attention. I'm gonna tell you guys where I got everything in the video, and if I remember to, I'll try to put it in the description box below. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is this vase. It's a very nice vase. I got this from Ross, and this was only $10.99. The theme I'm going for here is a neutral color palette, but with some pops of colors here and there. And I also want to go a little heavy on the black. So it's going to be the grays, the tans, and a little bit of black. And the reason I do that is because with neutral colors, especially if your furnitures are neutral, it's easier to flip to match your holidays or your mood. So you can pop a red, you can do blues, you can do whatever, and just do it as accent colors. But when your furnitures are already accent colors, like your reds and your orange and your purples, it's very hard to do that. So I like to go with a neutral palette with all my my big furnitures, and then my accessory pieces can be a color if I want, or it would be like a black or a silver or gold or anything like that. Again, this is going to be for the shelf. This is going to be a black accent. I didn't think I'll find something like this at Ross, because again, Ross stuff, I hate to say it, but they don't have the best quality stuff, but sometimes they have some really good finds. So you just have to have an eye for things, and you also have to be a really, really good shopper, and you kind of have to stalk them a little bit to find good things. The next thing here is a dining room centerpiece. Again, I'm gonna have a sprinkle of other things in here, but it's mostly going to be for the shelves. So this one is for a dining room table, or you can set this anywhere, but I chose this for my dining table. So this is what it looks like. This was very inexpensive. This was about $19.99. It is a candle. It is a fake candle, as you can see there. And you can put the battery in there and set it on your dining table and turn it on like that. It doesn't look the best right now because of the camera, but this thing is so pretty. It has the neutral tones that I like. And it's also a lantern that you can take around with you if the light goes off or something. So, and it also has some greenery there. So it is just a really, really pretty piece. I thought it was for Thanksgiving at first, and it probably is, but I'm gonna keep this on my dining table because I really, really like it. It has a little bit of all the elements that I like. So again, another great find from Ross. Let me go ahead and turn that off. Another great find from Ross is this tray right here. Look at this golden tray. It's really nice. It's like a leaf. It's like a double leaf. The two leaves connect from here, and then it can be a tray. You can hang this on your wall, and you can set this down on your coffee table. You can put this in your shelf. I'm actually going to put this in the shelf, and you guys will see that. But I just thought this was really nice, and it's pretty heavy. So the quality, again, is really good, and it has these things on the bottom if you wanted to set it down. I just thought this was a really great find, and I decided to get it. The next thing from Ross is this flower pot, and it comes with this. I kind of broke this when I was bringing it home, but it's fine because it sits right on top of this. And if you don't move it around, nobody knows it's broken. And most times the flower pots don't connect to the flower, the stand anyway, so this is fine. So it's not really broken, but I guess they had it as one piece. But look at that, look at the details on that. And it has the nice little wooden detail. Look at the inside. You know, it's a cute little flower pot stand that you can set your flower, kind of like something like that in the back. Or you can literally just set this by itself and it looks really good. The next pieces we're going to talk about are from Home Depot. Well, it's actually just one thing from Home Depot, but I've been looking for these forever. And every time I go to the stores that have them, they're usually out. And I'm like, dang, I miss it again. So this time, you guys know that we've been going to Home Depot a lot to get our, I don't know, home improvement stuff. And I went to the Christmas section and I saw that they had pampas grass. These right here. And these are pretty long ones. Look at these. They're pretty long And again, usually Home Goods have these. You can order these online, but it's really hard to find these. And when I saw these, I snatched them. They have different colors. They have red, they have pink, they have all kinds of colors, but this is the color I've been looking for because again, I'm going with the neutrals and they only had 2. So I was kind of sad about that, but I'm glad I was able to find it because whenever I go to Home Goods, I always see someone with this thing in their cart. And I always ask them like, where did you get it? And they're like, oh, it was the last one. So I was happy to find these at Home Depot. And yes, family, if you're looking for pampas grass, check out your local Home Depot. They might just have it for you. The next few things we're going to talk about are from Home Goods. You guys know Home Goods is my new favorite store, so I got a whole bunch of stuff from there. So let's get through them. First thing from Home Goods is this beautiful infinity love sign type thing. Look at this. This is so pretty. It's just a beautiful piece and it's pretty inexpensive. If you go to like a real, home decor store, something like this would run you a few hundred, and it's just not necessary because when it comes to knickknacks, you don't really need to spend too much money on them, but you also need to make sure that they look good because they're just going to be sitting there for people to look at. And if you spend too much money on it, it's almost like a waste of money because these things can pile up and they just sit there and collect dust. So I like to go to places like At Home, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Burlington, stores like that to get my knickknacks. Anyway, so this is the first one. This was about maybe $26. I don't remember, but this is a really, really, really nice piece. The next piece from Home Goods is this one. This one is like I don't know if you guys can see it, it's a female and a male, and it's like a love thing. It's a really, really big piece, as you can see here. It's a huge piece and it's really nice. It's gonna look really nice on the shelf, as I said. It shows love and you can interpret this how you want. So the next pieces I got from Home Goods are these right here. These are little, they're wooden, what are they called? Wooden vases. So again, they have the neutral tones that I like. Let me bring this close so you guys can see. They have the neutral tones, and you can put flowers in these or you can just set these down. These I'm gonna use for my dining table because I just wanna keep it simple, clean, and keep the neutrals going. So these are gonna go on my dining table. These were about $20 a piece. Next thing from Home Goods is this right here, this piece. Look how pretty this is. This is like a snail. It reminds me of a snail on a stand. It's like a really important snail because it's on a pedestal or something. But it's really cute. It has the black accent that I'm going for. It has the neutral that I'm going for. It's a really, really nice piece. I don't remember how much this one was, but it was from Home Goods. Another piece that I love, love, love from Home Goods is this right here. This is a wooden pot or mortar, however way you want to say it. But this piece, again, if you got this from your, what's it called, Restoration Hardware or any kind of fancy furniture store, this is going to run you, again, a few $100s. This was only about $30 at Home Goods, and it's really, really nice, y'all. Look at that. It's a really nice piece, and this will go great on the shelves again, as I said. The next thing I got from Home Goods is this lion, the Lion King. Gerald actually picked this one up because, he's the king of the house, so he wanted to have a piece that represented him. So this was perfect. It's a lion. It shows a little bit of, the African theme also that I'm trying to sprinkle in there. If you haven't already noticed, I'm trying to sprinkle a little bit of African theme in here. So let me show you guys this close up. This is so pretty. Look at that. Right? And it has a little bit of gold details. Again, with the wooden things, it's gonna be the African touch that I wanna have on everything. This has a little bit of African touch to it. This as well, and also this. When it comes to my decor, again, I like to keep it neutral. I like to keep it simple so that it's easy to flip around. So yes, this king is for the king of the household, Mr. Gerald. Next thing here is this tiny little flower. It's nothing special, but it's so cute. This can go on the mantle as well, or the shelves. This can also go in the kitchen. It can go anywhere. It's just a cute little planter, fake planter that I thought was really, really nice. And this one was actually from Ross as well. So the last thing from Home Goods is this little necklace thing. I'm actually looking for more of these, but it's really, really hard to find. These are in style when it comes to home decor. So you can put this on your book, like a coffee table book. You can put this around your vases. You can just lay this on a coffee table by itself. You can do a lot with these, but these are really cute. And look at this up close. Again, it has the little African detail there. And this wasn't that expensive, y'all. It was only $14.99 right there. It has the tassel or whatever that thing is called, and it's just a really nice piece. All right, family, that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see a lot more hauls, please go ahead and comment hauls down below. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification so you never miss another video. Also, family, if you don't follow me on Instagram and TikTok, I'm gonna leave my handles down below. Please go ahead and follow me on there as well. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.